Ethereum selling pressure. Golem transfers for $100 million ETH to exchanges. Price prediction. Signed on the last update. July 8, 2024, 14 GMT 3 minutes read. The price of Ethereum has shot up by 3.5% in the past hour, returning $3,025 after diving to $2,829 in the early hours of evening. ETH's current price means that it has risen by a very slight 0.4% in 24 hours, with the coin also down by 13% in a week and by 18% in the past month. Such declines come as Golem transfers 36,000 ETH worth approx $108 million to various exchanges, with the long-dormant ICO projects still sitting on a trove of 231,400 ETH. This underlines the possibility of further big dumps to come, although ETH's strong rebound from $2,800 suggests that it probably can't fall much lower with traders returning to buy the debt. Ethereum selling pressure. Golem transfers $100 million ETH to exchanges. Price prediction. What we see with Ethereum's in the past 24 hours is a panic sell-off and then a very big recovery, with the coin's indicators showing a marked improvement in a month. This is particularly evident with ETH's relative strength index purple, which has jumped from 20 in the early hours of this morning to nearly 70s as of writing. And the alt's 30-day average, orange, has also begun rising up from an excessively oversold position, with it now potentially on course to overtake the 200-day low later this week. We've also seen its trading volume spike a little today, rising from $10 billion yesterday to $16 billion today as traders swoop in to take advantage of the coin's sudden dip. The main reason for this dip is that data revealed that the long-dormant project Golem, which raised 820,000 ETH in a 2016 pre-sale, has transferred 36,000 ETH for Binance, Coinbase, and other exchanges in the past 37 days. And while some people have used these transfers to suggest that the Golem team knows something bad could happen, it's just as likely that they're preparing for a big bounce that could come with the launch of Ethereum ETF. It's like that the recently approved batch of ETFs will begin launching from this month, with analysts predicting good things for the Ethereum price. As such, Golem's transfers could simply be them preparing to profit from a rally which could come later in the year, with rate cuts likely to boost things by the fall. Ethereum could therefore return to $3,500 by Q4 and to $4,000 by the end of the year. Diversification with high potential meme. Tokens. While each is more than likely to bounce back after a difficult start to the week, there are other coins should consider diversifying into, especially if they want to increase their exposure to potential gains. One particularly promising source of returns comes from pre-sale tokens, which often rally dramatically as they list. A great example of an interesting pre-sale coin is Base. Dost, a multi-chain cryptocurrency that has already raised over $2.3 million in its token offering. Dogecoin is one of the few multi-chain meme coins in the market right now, and accordingly, it will run on Ethereum, Base, Solana, Avalanche, and BNB chain. This will give it a much wider user and investor base, which in turn could help support its price of all time. Also helping it attract attention is its unique take on the ever-present Shiba Inu meme, with its mascot being an adrenaline junkie dog who seems to encapsulate the thrill-seeking nature of much of the crypto market. The coin now has over 4,000 followers for its account, offering an early indication of how big its community could grow once it launches. Dogs also has strong tokenomics, coming with a cap supply of 6.453 billion dogs. 20% of this supply go to the sale of the event, 20% going to staking, earning holders a passive income. Interested investors can join the coin sale by going to the official Base Dogs website, where one dog's currently costs $0.00581. This is likely to prove a very low price, especially when Dogs has already been successful in raising a significant sum of money. By Dogs now follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital